Hey guys, this is Terry. I'm doing a review on my Canon EOS M200 camera, and this is what it looks like. It comes in black and white. I got the white. I've had it for a couple of years. This is actually a renewed or refurbished camera. It works great. I've never had any issues with it. It does great for what I use it for. It's a great vlogging a camera. I do a lot of videos, not just reviews, but I do a lot of art videos. It has some great features of what I really liked about it. It has this 180-degree LED screen. And what's really cool is that you can move it, if you can do selfies. But what I use it for is I do fluid art. And once you pour the paint, you can't move the canvas. So I like to film what it looks like, how the paint is spreading, and what it, the finished product. And it's really cool to take videos of that. So you can use it for a lot of different things. It's got all these different functions here. But I really want to point out the colors here. This is a plant that's sitting on my table, and it just really zeroes in and it picks up those beautiful colors. And I can't say enough about this camera as far as getting really nice pictures and video. This has the battery compartment here. So this is really easy to put your battery in and out, and clips right in there. And over here is the top up flash, which is really great. It has the 45 millimeter lens here. So, that comes off. You can put different sizes. It just depends. This is what comes with it. And what I really like too is it comes with the strap, so you can apply it here. It's got 3 different lenses. It shows you here the 3 different lenses, and it comes with the little card reader. You can just pull this up right there, and it is there, pops in and out really easily, and it's kind of hidden there. And then this is where you would plug in your cords. So this is a great little camera. It has the dual pixel. It's fast and is accurate, has great eye detection. It's a high quality image. Has a 24.1 megapixels sensor. It has the 4K video and 4K time lapse moving along with the vertical video. And like I said, it's got the 3-inch 180-degree screen that you can move around. It's and has the built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology, and the auto image transfer, which is great. And it has the telephoto lens. So there's a lot of great features in this little camera, and I just love it, and it does great for what I use it for. So I can highly recommend the Canon EOS M200.